Alright, here's the sump pump in action. We had some water in the basement a couple days. Actually, it's been a week now. And so I did a sump pump. It's got gravel all the way around it, so it's a seepage sump. But I put a drain in just for, in case water got back in. So as the water table rises, this sump pump should pump everything out. And see, I put a little bit of water. You can't really see it, but I'm going to turn it on here. It's pumping it out of this drain pipe. I already flipped off, but out this drain pipe, and then I rented a coring bit for a rotary hammer today, and I cored through the brick here. And I'll go upstairs and see if we got some water out. Here's the carpet downstairs, all done. Yeah. Just turn the light on. So, hard to see it, but that line there is the thing I dug out today and put concrete back over, and here's the pipe. Water coming out now. It's got a downslope, so water keeps coming out. That's it. Hopefully that helps it all out.